Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about something we all face: failure. Exams, job interviews, business launches, personal goals. We've all had moments where things didn't work out. But here's the twist. Dealing with failure is actually simple when you understand three key moves. Reframe how you see failure. Flip it from an ending to a data point. Reflect without self-blame. Extract lessons without spiraling into negativity. Restart with micro actions. Build momentum with tiny steps forward. Stick around because I'm going to break each of these down with examples and tips you can use the next time life throws a curveball. Key point 1. Reframe failure. First up, reframing. Most of us were taught that failure means we're not good enough. But think about a scientist running experiments. When an experiment fails, it's not a tragedy. It's information. Treat your life like a series of experiments. When my first freelance project bombed, client hated the design, I was crushed. But reframing helped me see it as feedback. I learned exactly what clients expect in communication. That one failure became the reason I'd landed bigger projects later. So next time something flops, literally say to yourself, "This is data, not a death sentence." Key point 2. Reflect without self-blame. Second, reflection. The danger after failure is the blame game. We either beat ourselves up or point fingers. Neither helps. Instead, ask three simple questions. What worked? What didn't? What can I tweak next time? Jot it down. Keep it factual, not emotional. For example, if you failed a test, maybe the issue wasn't intelligence but study strategy. Maybe you needed practice questions instead of just reading notes. This kind of honest, gentle reflection is where real growth lives. Key point 3. Restart with micro actions. Finally, restart, but small. Big leaps feel impossible when you're bruised. So think micro actions. After my design setback, my first step was as tiny as revising one section of my portfolio. That small win rebuilt my confidence and set off a chain reaction. What's your micro action? If you missed a fitness goal, it might be a 5-minute walk today. If a job application failed, maybe update one bullet on your resume. Small steps create momentum, and momentum is everything. So let's tie it together. Reframe, reflect, restart. Failures aren't walls, they're signposts. When you look at them as experiments, calmly study what happened, and then move forward with tiny actions, failure stops being an enemy. It becomes your fastest teacher. If this clicked for you, don't let it stay a good idea. Turn it into action today. Drop a comment sharing one lesson you've learned from a failure. I'd love to cheer you on. And if you're ready for more tips on turning setbacks into superpowers, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with a friend who needs it. Remember, failure isn't the end. It's the beginning of something smarter. You've got this.